Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I scalped the Asian session on the euro-dollar pair. So starting on the daily chart, we can see that price has been moving in a downward move and it's been consolidating since then, since Monday last week to be exact. I also noticed that there was a daily order block that was formed here. So last Thursday, price made a bullish move. On Friday itself, rejected that bearish order block level, and it's been consolidating since then. So if price was to respect this level, I'll be looking for price to make more of a downward move, continuing this trend. But if it breaks this level, I'm looking for price to move upwards. Going down to our hourly time frame, you guys will probably notice why are there colors here. I've mentioned in a lot of my previous videos before, this is an indicator that I use called FX Market Sessions by Boytoki. You can actually set the timings of the sessions that you guys want to trade. I set it to the kill zones, so these are the kill zones. So we can see on Monday, yesterday, price made a huge upward move during the New York kill zone. And with such a big candle here in play, the most likely reason behind this big move is smart money. So it's indicating that smart money is willing to take price upwards, right? And where's price going to go? Well, to me, I think it's going to be drawn to this level here before making any other movements. So this is a 1 hour fair value gap, and you can see that it's wicked into this area here. It's encroached into this area here. So whether price is going to break this level and go up, we don't know yet, or whether it's going to respect this level and go down, we don't know yet. But we can actually make decisions by looking at the smaller time frames to see whether there's a trade. So if we go down to our 15-minute time frame, I actually took the trade within the Asian kill zone here, and not much to see on the 15-minute time frame except that when price made this huge upward move during the New York session, it's consolidating a little bit, and it seems like it wants to continue the upward trend or the upward move here. So moving down to the 5-minute time frame, well, we can see that still price made a huge upward move here. Not really much to see. I scalped this session. So when I scalped, I focused my entries on the 1-minute time frame. So let's get down to that. So on the 1-minute time frame, let's just take this market session away so it makes things clearer. So this was an area of interest for me, in particularly this portion here. Why? So if I was to go back just a little bit, we can see that price has been moving on an upward trend, consolidating here, making a downtrend. This was what caught my eye. We can see, what's this? This is sell side liquidity. Price went all the way down, swept all the sell stops, and went back up again. Breaking what? Breaking market structure. So there was a market structure shift from a downward trend, breaking through sell side liquidity, sweeping liquidity, breaking through that structure. So price is willing to go up here, right? There was also a fair value gap that was formed during this time frame. Now, if I put a fib on, well, you guys know that I like using the fib, we can see that price actually traveled all the way down to this level and went up again. So I took my trade around here, 9:45 p.m. New York time during the Asian session. So I popped a trade in here, put my take profit around there, and my stop loss around here. So it was about 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. Why did I put my take profit here? Because you see, what's this level here? This level is buy side liquidity. So this would be my target for me to take profit. And why was I so convinced that this trade will work? Well, it's more so that it's a very, very high probability trade. Because why? First of all, there was a market structure shift. There was a fair value gap in play. It swept liquidity. There was a liquidity raid. And there was also liquidity sitting up here. So price would naturally be drawn towards this level here. So I hope you guys found today's video helpful. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoy this kind of content. Drop a comment if you have any questions down below. And I'll catch you guys at the next one.